Don't you have enough sentences to speak, to use in front of the people, to do conversation with them confidently, proudly? And are you also getting bored and bored by using the same sentence again and again, over and over again? And you also afraid to create new sentences in front of some people while doing conversation, while practicing the English? Are you also confusing where and how you can use the sentences? And when we also do some conversation with someone, we just think and think that what will be if I use the word, if I use the been with the have, when I have to use the was. And that's why you also can't speak confidently, fluently in front of some people. Oh no, what I am gonna do now? Then guys, watch this video till the end, because guys, today this video is gonna be very special, beneficial, teachable, helpful video guys, because today I am gonna tell to everyone, I am gonna advise to everyone a very important practice that I also practice every morning, every night, every evening. And that's why I'm also developing the English over and over again. And this practice are gonna help you to make more and more sentences. Okay guys, and I am sure if you watch this video till the end without skipping any moment, understanding every words, every sentence of mine, then guys, you are gonna develop your English, and also I am sure you can make as much sentence you want. You can make 100, 1,000, many lots of sentences by only one sentence. Okay, by only one sentence. And it is also very important. We Indians, we can't speak the English language fluently, confidently. We can't do the conversation with someone because for only one reason. The reason is we can't make sentence. Instantly you have to make many sentences. And also I observe a very important thing, that if you people are just thinking that so in the starting of the video I will tell you only one thing, that put in your brain, there is not only one way to express the sentence. There are uncountable ways to express the same sentence. Okay guys, you can understand and you will realize why I tell you that in the ending of the video. So guys, let's start the video. This video is gonna be very special, very interesting, and also one of the beneficial video. Without any wasting time, if you are guys new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. And I wanna tell everyone that this video is gonna be the second part of my previous video, how I make 1,000 sentence by only one sentence. But who are the new viewers of this video, then I'm gonna tell them welcome guys, and don't worry, you don't have to watch my first video, my part 1 video. You can understand everything properly from this video also. So let's start the video. Let's begin my topic. First of all, I will tell you just one thing, that always remember, nothing is easy, nothing is free. If you just thinking that Pratik is advising us, the advice will be so nice, so let's hear the advice, and after 2 or 3 days we can make the sentence automatically. But no, I am not giving you any mantra, I am not giving you this type of things. I will give you a practice. What is meaning of the practice? You have to practice it. I am also practicing the same advice that I am gonna give you nowadays, and they are helping me a lot. So passion and practice, you have to do that. English is not a subject, it's a language. So just remember it and watch this video. If you were thinking that only we can explain or only we can say a sentence in one way, then guys, you are wrong, as I tell you first time. So I want to tell a simple thing to everyone, that we start to learn the English language from our childhood. Okay, in our childhood, when we were a child, then we learned many sentences. Basic question, it can be basic sentence. Like I will give you example, it is that how are you. Whenever we see someone suddenly after a long time, then we just say one thing or we ask one thing, it is that how are you. How are you? Like just it may be our friends, our relatives, family members, anyone. But when we meet with a person who related by us, then we ask just one question first, that hey, how are you. Like suddenly I see my friend, my childhood friend, then what I will ask him or her, I will just ask that hey, how are you. And it is the first basic thing of my practice. A number of people, they are just thinking that oh, if you want to speak the English, then you have to speak the sentence, and only in one way you can use the sentence. A sentence that we learn since our childhood, we also use the same sentence when we grow up. Okay, like we also learned that how are you in our childhood, it can be, and now when we grow up we also use the same sentence, how are you. It means from our childhood we just think that only how are you we have to use when we will meet with someone. But it is a wrong thing. I am not saying that how are you is a wrong, how are you is a wrong sentence. You can't use the sentence in that moment. You have to use it, is the perfect sentence. But if you want to develop your sentence making process, then you have to change it. You have to speak the sentence how are you. The topic will be same, but the process, the way to express it, it is gonna be different. Anyone who can speak the English perfectly never use the same word, the same sentence more than 2 or 3 times. I think it is a rule to speak the English language. Just you have to make. Whenever we also read the story, then we can also we face many new words, and we just also understand the word for a moment and then we pass the word. But it is a wrong thing. Whenever you will learn a new word, then try to go deeper with the word, try to find out what is the similar words of the word. To do my practice, you need just only one page. Like you can see, you also can take one of your copy, and then after taking the page you need a pen. By the help of pen, write down your topic. My topic is how are you. As I tell you, whenever we see someone newly, then what we say, we ask that how are you. But today I am gonna explain my practice with you with the help of this topic, how are you. So first of all, you need a particular topic. I am using how are you for the topic, for my advice. You can take any another copy, you can take any another sentence, it can be anything whatever you like. But first of all, today I am gonna discuss about the how are you. So as you can see, I also have written in this place many words. So as you can see, many sentences I have written, and there are total 12 sentences. Okay, first of all, you need a topic. My topic is how are you, and then try to make similar sentences, okay, of how are you. Like I will tell you that how are you, the next sentence is everything okay. Is everything okay? Is everything okay is the similar question of the how are you. Is everything okay? How are you? Is everything okay? So, hey Ram, how are you? Hey Ram, is everything okay? Like, just you have to understand it. It is a little bit hard, but if you can capture it, then it will be good for you. Whenever we also see someone, like, it can be our mate, it can be someone related by us, and then when we see the person is very busy, for some normal question we can use their hey Ram, how are you? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Then yes, everything is okay. Now my next sentence is how is your health? How is your health? Just try to understand what is the meaning of how are you. Okay, when we ask someone how are you, means we are asking the person that how is everything going, and also we are asking that how is your health, how is your work going, what is your daily life, how is your daily life going. A normal question, but it means a lot. And then when we will ask how are you, then the person will say yes, I am fine, means everything is fine, my study also going good, my work and my health is also very good. And if someone also have some fever, then they will reply to you that yes, I am good, but not very good. And then the next sentence that I have written is how is everything going? How is everything going? You can use that how is everything going instead of how are you. Okay, how are you? How is everything going? Hey, how is everything going? Long time no see. How is everything going? I remember my. So guys, you can use like how is everything going? How are you? How is everything okay? How is your health? How is everything going? And you also have, and you can use that is how is your work going, how is your work going. Okay, and we also meet with a person after a long time, then we also feel very curious about everything that is happening with the person. It can be anyone. So you also can use that how is your work going instead of how are you. And then the same, if the person is not do any work, then you can ask them how is your studies going. And then the next sentence is are you good, are you good, are you good, are you good, and are you okay. These two sentences are same, are you good, are you okay. So when we will use the sentence, like as I tell you in the first, that is everything okay, are you good. So and also we meet someone work time, means you also are just going in your daily work for some work, and then when you are very busy, then suddenly if you see one of your friend, then what you will see, you can use their are you good, are you good, are you good, everything fine, are you good, how are you, just means are you good and also are you okay. It is the same sentences. And then my next sentence is how is everyone at home, how is everyone at home. Like how is your everyone at home, how is your everyone, how is everyone at home means just asking about your family members. Okay, like how is your at home, you just meet your friend after a long time, and then you can use that how is everyone at home means everyone is fine in your, how is your family members, you can use there in a short that how is everyone at home. And then my next sentence is how is your body now, how is your body now. Now how is your body now, it is another type of question, but it is also very very good question, that you meet with a friend after a long time, and then sudden you hear that your friend was very fever, was in a great fever, then you also can just use this sentence that hey Ram, I heard that you was in a great fever, how is your body now, how is your body now. Hey Ram, or hey Sham, hey Rahul, I heard that you was in a great fever, how is your body now. And they also will reply you that yes, I am fine. So it is the normal sentence. It is the normal thing. There is also, as I tell you, many ways to explain a same sentence, but they also have their another uses. I am sure if you just practice this advice, if you follow my advice, then you can create many sentences. You can get more and more new words, and you can use them while speaking, and you will not be puzzled in only one word. So my last sentence is also very beautiful. Are you all right? Are you all right? What is the meaning of the course? How are you? Are you all right? It is the two sentences are just simple. They are same, but their uses are different. Just imagine, close your eyes and imagine that you are walking by side your classroom, and then suddenly someone fell down in front of you, and then of course you will help him or her. Then what you are gonna ask? I'm sure that nobody will ask that how are you, how are you. No, you will not ask how are you. You have to use their are you all right? Are you all right? Like, just imagine that. It is also very funny that if I help someone, then what I will say? How are you? No, I will not say that. How are you? I will say that. Are you all right? So the two sentences are same. How are you? Are you all right? They are simple. They are same, but their uses are different. It was my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video with another great topic. And I will only say to everyone, I will only advise that do this practice. Listen to me. You are gonna see the benefits. 2 or 3 days, and I am sure guys, if you also practice the same practice that I advise you by with the help of 2 or 3 topics, then you can make instant sentence. You are just speaking with someone, then you also can use the stock sentence that you stock in your brain by writing, by doing this practice. And I am also sure you can give answer, you can create your whole question answer sentence very confidently. So okay, so it was my video guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you need the third practice of this video, then guys please comment me the third practice, then I will come again with another thing. Take a particular topic, a sentence, and then make similar. You don't need the normal. You can take any. Okay, any. Like this tree is very beautiful. The tree's color is very beautiful. The tree's shape is very beautiful. The tree's leaf is also very beautiful. This tree is amazing. I will meet you in the next video. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe. We will make this type of videos every time for your better explanation. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you want the first practice of this same video, then guys you can click here and you can watch from there. Bye bye.